Welcome to the fascinating world of washroom basin manufacturing. Today we'll explore the intricate processes that bring these essential fixtures to life. It all begins with selecting high-quality raw materials, often ceramics, acrylics, or stainless steel. Each material has unique properties, ensuring durability and style. Next, the chosen material is carefully shaped using advanced machinery. Precision is key as the basins must meet specific design and functional standards. Once shaped, the basins undergo a rigorous firing or curing process. This step solidifies their form and enhances their strength, ensuring they can withstand daily use. After curing, the basins are polished to a smooth finish, making them both aesthetically pleasing and easy to clean. Quality control checks are essential at this stage, ensuring every basin meets industry standards. Finally, the basins are packaged and prepared for shipping, ready to be installed in homes and businesses around the world.